don't think I'm too good at narrating, but let's see how this goes. This is the dining room. Actually, let's come back this way. This is the dining room off the kitchen. So I guess we'll start there. Here's the kitchen. This is the little door to the breezeway. There's Dad's fancy shoe rack he made for us. Lots and lots of coats. Here's the breezeway. Looks into the backyard. That's that kitchen we're gonna go back to. Here's my grill and my table and my hot tub and the saloon. Here inside the breezeway, this goes into the garage. There's a service I put in. Got the storage rack, tons of stereo stuff. Wood burning stove that's not hooked up yet. And that leads into the third bay right here. That's where my shop is, but here's the two garage doors. Here's my shop. That's that door. TV, pictures, Olive. Tools everywhere. Ceiling fan. And that's the third bay. Sounds like Joanne's home. I'll do more later.